Welcome to Computer Skill Station. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to create a 3D beach ball in Adobe Illustrator in just under 4 minutes. Let's start. Step 1. Create a new document. I'm using 1280 by 720. You can choose any size you like. Step 2. Use the rectangle tool and draw one vertical strip. Press V. Hold Alt plus drag to duplicate. Press Ctrl plus D 5 times to make 6 stripes. And color them. Step 3. Add another rectangle on top. Alt plus drag to duplicate. Fill with white stroke. Then, step 4. Select Alt and Window. Then symbols, then click plus to add symbol. Name it beach. Then delete shapes from artboard. Step 5. Draw a circle with the ellipse tool. Cut it in half with scissor tool, then delete left half. Close the shape with pen tool. Step 6. Go to Effect, then 3D and Materials, then 3D Classic, then Revolve Classic. Click Map Art. Then choose your symbol, then check Scale to fit, then shade artwork then, okay? Adjust rotation. Step 7. Draw an oval below with ellipse tool. Color black. Then opacity 25%. Then effect, then blur, then Gaussian blur, then radius 55. Done. A realistic beach ball ready in minutes. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Want to design faster, work smarter, and create like a pro? Subscribe